How's it going? This is my new garage right here. I'm cleaning it out for the last couple months, so I've been pretty busy. Haven't had a chance to work on many other projects, but now we got a big workspace to use. So this is the workshop. So you can see, got a snowmobile right there. That's what the next project's probably gonna be. But before we can get to that, we need a way to move it around the shop. It's about 450 pounds. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a dolly. Got some caster wheels bought off Amazon and got some old wood that we're gonna be using that just had laying around. So this is a relatively inexpensive project and shouldn't take that long. So this is gonna be the main area where all the projects happen from now on. Won't be outside, out in the sun or out in the cold now that's getting close to winter. So nice day out. It's November and it's 73 degrees out today in Michigan. I mean, that last part of it's not that surprising, but. Okay, so we got a lot of scrap wood in here. But, I think, yeah, that piece right there might actually work. There we go, we got our big old T screwed together. Now we just need to attach the casters. I bought these casters off Amazon. They're about $25, $27 I think for 4 of them. I think each of them is rated to hold up to 1,000 pounds, something like that. So these should be plenty big enough, plenty sturdy enough to hold up our 450 pound snowmobile. So each of these casters uses 4 of these bolts, just thread them straight through here. So what we gotta do is we gotta mark out all the spots that these holes are gonna go through, then drill holes on there for them to pass through, and then screw them on. So the good news is we're almost done. Bad news for me is that the hardware they sent with these isn't long enough to actually get through that wood that we're using because it's just too thick. So I'm gonna have to go out and buy some new hardware, some longer bolts to go with this. I have some bolts that are long enough, but they're just too thick. They won't fit through here. Bad news for me, good news for you, because it's not gonna affect anything because you'll be seeing this after it's edited and everything. So next time you see me, we'll have the right hardware. So I was just looking over these bolts that I bought. They're gonna be too long. So what I have here is just a normal little wood screw along with a nut. I'm gonna use this to fix the casters to the wooden beams right here. The issue with these is since they're too long, they're gonna pop up the other side and interfere with the skis as well as the track when you're trying to load it on and off, and we don't want that. So yeah, we're gonna go with this, a little impromptu solution. But yeah.
Gentlemen, we can rebuild him. We have the technology. We have the capability to make the world's first bionic man. Better, stronger,
got the casters attached just like that. On there pretty steady. Just gotta flip it over and get this snowmobile loaded on. So since I'm by myself, that'll be a bit of a challenge, but we'll see what we can do. Okay, so after screwing around with it a little bit, I got it all the way on. Got it on here, all the way, front and back. Give it a little test spin. There you go. Just move it off the side and have whatever space you need. But yeah, this is the workshop. Pretty quick, easy project, but I've been wanting to be able to move this around the shop for a while. Gotten a little snow so far, so I would like to have it running at least this winter sometime. So that'll hopefully be another video coming up soon. It's gonna take a lot of work to get this thing running. When the guy I bought it from, I think I mentioned it, but he essentially tore the whole engine apart because he was going to throw it in his golf cart, but I guess he never got around to that. So, I mean, everything's pretty much disconnected in here. So, and there's a lot of parts missing, like up here on the handlebars, and almost all the buttons and controls are disconnected in some way or another. Like right here, yeah. Gonna need new switches for half these wires. Gonna have to find some diagrams out there. I mean, this is I believe an '89. So, it's a pretty old snowmobile, but that'll be one of the upcoming projects. Also, we got this big green John Deere tractor that we just hauled in here. Probably make a video on that one too. I won't be doing most of the work on this one. My dad will be. But I'll try to document and chronicle all the work that's being done on this one. Hasn't started in probably 20 some odd years, so. Yeah, there's lots of projects in here that I've been meaning to get to work on. Again, if you guys like seeing this content, feel free to subscribe, comment, like, whatever. You do you, I'll do whatever I do, yeah. But yeah, hope to see you around.